morning guys, and welcome to another vlog. I'm just eating my breakfast, looking out at the beautiful view, and today I have oats, chia seeds and berries. So I'm also finally back in my studio again, and I guess I should show you guys the changes that have been made to it. I have a new radiator that works, and I do like to be warm. Would you guys like to see the actual renovations that we're having done in the house? I'll show you. So this is our new living room. So we removed the fire, we put in a new floor. It's now got underfloor heating and the radiators have been ripped off. And this is all for the plasterers to come in tomorrow. So they should be plastering it all, so this should all be smooth. And it's getting there. I feel like part of having a hot drink is just like holding the hot mug and how much nicer it is than holding a cold glass of water. Today's job, well, one of today's jobs is what I'm going to do now, is I've been editing a video. It's all edited. It is the painting of. It is showing you guys the process of me painting this. So it should already be up on my channel, so if you've not already watched it, go and watch that after this video. And basically what I'm doing right now is filming the voiceover. So I've got this, which is my microphone. I'm going to set that up here and just talk about the painting and the process, and I don't know what I'm going to talk about yet, but that's my next job. On a rainy day, there's nothing better than getting out my favourite candles, and the aroma just fills the studio. It's so beautiful. So these are the most recent paintings that are now on Etsy. You can check out the process of them in my last vlog, so go watch that if you've not seen it already. And yeah, there's just these cute little watercolours. And it's this one that has already sold, so thank you so much. I can't believe one has already gone. And I will link to the rest in the description box if you want to go and check those out. So I'm going to wrap up this order right now and make it super special for the person who's ordered it. order is wrapped, next thing I'm going to do is, remember these little stag paintings that I painted a few videos ago? You can go watch the process of all those coming together because I filmed the whole thing, but now I'm going to sign them because they're dry. I'm going to sign them and pop them on Etsy. I really like these paintings because they have like little gold details on. I'll show you a close-up, but the paint is so pretty. Now I have signed those paintings, I'm going to photograph them so that they can go on Etsy, and I'm just going to take like a few photographs that just show like the main bits of the painting. I'm going to probably take a photograph of me holding it so that you can see how big it is, and then I'll get cracking with uploading to Etsy, and then I think it's time for lunch. Hi guys, the paintings have been signed, I've taken photographs of them. Now what I have to do is sit and edit the photos and then put them on my laptop to upload to Etsy. So if any of you guys are wondering, for all my photos that I have on Instagram, Etsy, basically any photograph, I always use the Snapseed app. That is for all the editing of like the lighting, the contrast, all that sort of stuff. And then I use VSCO for my filters. So now I'm going to sit and edit all those photos on my phone, then I will upload them to Etsy and make sure that the description is filled out and all that sort of stuff. I want to say a massive thank you to you guys for all your support, whether that's through orders or comments or just watching my videos. It means so much to me. So I want to leave the vlog there and thank you guys again. I'll see you soon. Bye!